Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans and we're back with another video today, and we're going to be doing our cash stuffing for our sinking funds for the second paycheck of April. So let's get started. We'll start with a quick cash count here from my cash pouch. And we are going to be stuffing $334 today. I went to the bank and I just put on here what my denominations were for how much I wanted back, so they could give me the correct denominations. I'm going to put my cash pouch to the side and we'll get started with a quick cash count. So let's get started here. It should be $334. And it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 5, 60, 5, 70, 5, 80, 5, 90, 5, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So $334, and we'll get this set up. So we've got our cash tray now. We'll just go ahead and get this money set up here. And there we go. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to do our, I guess we'll start with high priority. And that is going to be our trash bill, and that is getting $46 today. And that is 2 20s, a 5, and a 1. $46. And this is for 1 month of trash, and we pay that quarterly. The next one is going to be car registration, and this one is gonna get $8, and that's a 5 and 3 1s, and this is due in December at the end of the year. So let's see how much we have in here now. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. We have $32 now. And let me write that down. So our next one is AAA, and that is getting $31, and that's a 20, a 10, and a 1. So let's give it a quick count. 20, 40, 60, 70, 85, 85, 90, 91, 92. So $92. And this is supposed to be due in September, so we'll stuff that in September. Next one is Prime, and that one is getting $12. That is going to be a 10 and 2 ones. Oh, those are nasty. So let's give it a count. And that is 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 108 is how much we have in here. And I believe this one is due in July. So we'll be unstuffing that to pay the bill in July. Our next one is Canva. And that is getting $11. So that's going to get a 10 and a 1. And that now has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $100. So next is Sam's, and that is getting $5. We're skipping Google because we already have the amount that we need. And Sam's is getting $5. So now let's see how much we have. We have 20, 30, 5, 45. So $45. And that one is due in May. So our next one is our Capital One fee. And this is our annual fee for our credit card, and that's $12. So we're getting a 10 and 2 ones, and that's 20, 30, 40, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, $60. And our fee is $95. Our next one is Amex, and that's getting $11. So a 10 and a 1. That's 10, 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 47. Next one is LastPass. I still haven't made a label for it, but I need to, and that has $5, and we're adding another $5, and that's going to make it $10. And that's it for our high priority. And now we're going to go into our low priority. And we are going to start with car maintenance. And that is going to get $38. And that is going to get 20, 10, 5, and 3 ones. 38. Let's see how much we have now. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 65, 66, 67, $68. Our vet visit, so we're skipping printer ink, we're skipping just me, we're skipping planner, household, birthdays, clothing, and candles. So we're going straight to vet visits, and that's getting $35, or actually $25. So that's getting a 20 and a 5, and now we have $50 in vet visits. The next one is getting pet meds, and that's getting $32. So that's getting our 20, a 10, and 2 ones. So now we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $112. And this is for their flea and tick and heartworm medications. And then we're skipping the rest of these. And that is it for our cash stuffing today. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the comments and the kind words. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.